I'm Nate Spack, and today I'll be discussing Chapter 12, Segment 3 of the Psychology textbook. So, in non-human animals, sexual behaviors are stereotyped and closely regulated by hormones. So, coitus, also known as intromission, copulation, or sexual intercourse, is the sexual act in which the male's penis enters the female's vagina. Intromission then leads to ejaculation, which is the forceful expulsion of semen from the penis. Semen is a mixture of fluid, including sperm, that's released during ejaculation. Now, in non-human animals, sexual behavior is stereotyped, meaning that there is a species-specific unvarying form of sexual behavior in each non-human animal. Now, in rats, lordosis is a specific posture which the female takes when she's receptive to the male's efforts at sexual intercourse. The gonads are important because they're the reproductive organs that make sperm, which takes place in the testes in males, or eggs, which takes place in the ovaries in females. And androgens are the primary steroid hormones produced by the testes, the most prominent of which being testosterone, which is crucial for the production of sperm. Now, estrogens are one of two classes of ovarian hormones that are key in female reproduction. And estradiol is the most important form of estrogen. Now, there's also progesterones, which are another class of ovarian hormones crucial to female reproduction. In humans, sexual behavior is neither as stereotyped nor as hormonally regulated as in animals. So, William H. Masters and Virginia E. Johnson found a basic pattern of sexual arousal in both men and women, and this pattern is characterized by four phases. The first of which being arousal, which is a gradual increase in excitement, which is reflected in increased heart rate, respiration, and the swelling or erection of the penis in men and the clitoris in women. Now, plateau is a prolonged period of excitement. After that comes orgasm, which is the brief and intensely pleasurable sensation experienced by most men during ejaculation and by most women during coitus. Now, finally, the resolution is just the gradual decline in excitement felt by both the female and the male after orgasm. The refractory period occurs during resolution in males, and this is the time following a male orgasm during which stimulation cannot produce an erection. And just as the penis is very important to sexual stimulation in men, the clitoris is also very important to sexual stimulation in women. And one key difference between men and women is that men are generally more interested in casual sex than women. Differences in testosterone levels, however, are not responsible for varying libidos among men. Also, hormones influence libido more subtly in women than in men, and the social context has a major impact on human sexual behavior. Prenatal hormones shape the sex of the body in humans and other mammals. So, indifferent gonads are the unformed gonads in a fetus, which resemble a mix of testes and ovaries. And sexual differentiation is the process during fetal development controlled by hormones, by which male or female structures are then formed. Gender identity is the sense which is developed in childhood of whether one is male or female, and gender constancy is the concept that sex categories are permanent and not affected by variations in appearance. Now, congenital adrenal hyperplasia is a condition caused by the secretion of excess testosterone by adrenal glands before birth in females, and at birth, the genitals of these people may resemble those of a boy. Androgen insensitivity syndrome is a condition in genetic males resulting from a mutation that makes the body insensitive to androgens, and the genitals at birth typically resemble those of a girl. I'm Nate Spack, and that's my presentation.